Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus that needs not a new display but a new charging port. So let's find out how it's done. First thing we're gonna do is remove the back cover on this Galaxy S22 Plus. So David is our expert Galaxy technician here in the shop. So anything about Samsung he can fix easily, no problem. So we're just gonna wrestle with a very strong adhesive on the back of this S22 Plus. So knowing that it's a flagship model, so Samsung has put a lot of effort in making this adhesive very high quality. But it's not really an issue. We just have to take our time to slice through the adhesive tape and even using scissors to cut it off. Now we can access the internals. We're not gonna focus our attention on the daughter board at the bottom part, so no need for us to go on the main board unless we really need to. So we're gonna remove this cover and detach all the connectors that are attached to the daughter board. You have two screws securing the charging port, so it's a Type-C port. In order for us to remove that, we have removed the SIM card tray because it sticks out to the outside perimeter of the device. We have removed the charging port now, so it's gonna be like a quick job. It's the same model and for the exact same part. So if you want to do this on your own, make sure you have the correct part number, because Samsung Galaxy smartphones have like Korean version or international version, so it's good that you have the right part. But if you don't want the hassle of finding the correct replacement charging port, charging board for your S22 Plus, then you can head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center or your local repair center or your friend who knows how to fix smartphones, because this is honestly a very easy repair job that you can perform yourself. I'm gonna test it now. We have the fast charger, so it will immediately be recharging the battery. So the problem with broken charging ports is, you can't do wired charging, only wireless charging. And if you're fond of transferring files between smartphones, or you're using your S22 Plus as a Samsung DeX that you output to a monitor through USB Type-C, then you can't have that. And replacing your charging port ensures that your battery is safely recharged. There's no interference or shorts on the circuit of your Type-C port. So right here, it's gonna be the end. We're just gonna cover it up, and I hope you enjoyed this guys. So it's gonna be a quick one, not our usual long epic repair job. But if you have any questions on our repair services here in the shop, you can message us on Facebook. You can leave a comment down below. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.